Hello, welcome to Nobody's Adventures.
Hi guys, so we're going to clean the waste pipe and the tank, the waste tank today with this cleaner. $7.95 it was on Amazon. We've put it into a watering can, approximately 5 litres of water to 100 ml of this liquid, and we go to the van now and pour that down the sink in the kitchen, the sink in the bathroom and the shower into the wastewater tank to clean that. And we're going to leave it for about an hour. So guys, here we are in the van. We mix the solution up. We're just going to tip some down the kitchen sink first. And then we're going to jump into the shower. Down the sink. And we're going to leave this in for about an hour. Have a shower. Just to clean the pipes. I do this about once a year. Let's put a little bit more just to finish off into the kitchen. There you go, all done for another year. Now let's go outside and make sure the drain pipe is off. As you can see, I did remember to turn that off. That's one thing to remember before you start putting the fluid down. But now, come back to this in an hour. I did clean the side of the van yesterday as well, but looking very nice for the first trip this year. But yeah, back in an hour and we'll drain that off with some water. So guys, I've turned the dirty water valve on and I'm draining out the water. This is actually my third can I've put in here now, because I've done 2 videos before this and they've gone wrong on this last bit of this video. So I'm just going to walk around here into the van, pour down another watering can full of water down the sink. These pipes are good and clean now. It's the third can down there. And then just go into the bathroom area. And let's just do the sink, shall we? There you go. Hope this video helps, guys. Please subscribe and hit the to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoy this video. 3 more videos to come. Lots of things to show you in this auto trial tribute and the things we do, and getting ready for a few little trips away. It's around Cornwall and perhaps a little bit further as well. Till the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.